Hi everyone, this is Mr. Jackson. I'm looking at the fact family, which is on the opposite side of your math homework for Monday, October 1st, 2012. We should already have our name and date on the paper, and the subject is fact family for 8. So we're going to be doing our fact families for 8. I want to start you off with the first 3, just in case you have forgotten or haven't had a chance to view the fact family in the tutorial. But you will be going all the way down to 15. And by now, this should only take you about 5 minutes to do. But again, just in case you may have forgotten how they're supposed to look, we're going to go through the first 3 together. I need you to keep in mind that the fact families we do in the 3rd grade math class are for multiplication and division. There should be no addition or subtraction problems written here. And I also want you to keep in mind that you need to write the sentences the correct way. So if we're doing a fact family for 8, and we're starting with number 1, we're going to put 1 times 8 equals 8. And on the second blank, we'll reverse this sentence. The factors, we will reverse the factors. The factors are 1 and 8, and the product is 8. So we will put 8 times 1 is also 8. Now these two lines are for division. Division is the opposite of multiplication, so we'll take this first sentence and we'll go backwards and we'll put that sentence here. If 1 times 8 is 8, then 8 divided by 8 is 1. And that's what you need to write here. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. And for this one, this blank, we would go backwards with this sentence. If 8 times 1 is 8, then 8 divided by 1 is 8. And that's what you would write here. 8 divided by 1 equals 8. This is the way it should look. You should not write 1 divided by 8 is 8 because that is not true. You should write 8 divided by 1 is 8. We'll move on to the second sentence. If that was 1 times 8, then this should be 2 times 8. And that would equal 16. Why? Because multiplication is repeated addition. So if you add 8 one time, you'll get 8. But if you add 8 2 times, you will get 8 plus 8, which is 16. And if 2 times 8 equals 16, then 8 times 2 also equals 16. These are your factors. This is your product. These are your factors. This is your product. Now we need to do division. Okay? Your product now becomes your dividend. Because if 2 times 8 equals 16, then 16 divided by 8 equals 2. And that's what you need to write here. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. Your dividend is 16. That's the large number you're starting with, kind of like the minuend in subtraction. And your divisor is 8, kind of like your subtrahend in subtraction. And your quotient is 2, kind of like your difference in subtraction. And I keep mentioning subtraction because division is the same as repeated subtraction. 16 divided by 8 is 2. And if 8 times 2 is 16, then 16 divided by 2 is 8. That's what you would write here. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Now, for the third one, if you did 1 times 8 and you've done 2 times 8, then you should do 3 times 8. And you would take 16 and add 8 more, and you would get 24. Because multiplication is the same as repeated addition. 8 one time is 8. 8 two times is 16. 8 3 times is 24. And if 3 times 8 equals 24, then 8 times 3 equals 24. Okay? 24 divided by 8 should be 3. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. This is your dividend, these are your divisors, and these are your quotients. Quotients are answers to division. Products are answers to multiplication. These are factors, these are products. You continue the same process all the way down until you get to 15. So if you're used to the process, this is how quickly you'd be able to write one of the sentences. 4 times 8 equals 32. 8 times 4 equals 32. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me at ClassJump. Thank you.